Na tugithi na mbere ni ati itemine ria guvacirira onjoria aria mahutirwo ni mīrũrũngano ya andu ethi neria yatungirie hathara nene. Ruhonge rwa kuheana motungata ma insurance CIC group ni ruheanite ceki ya ciringi milioni 134 kuri kambuni ya Naivas iria ni cia guthinga mathenya maria matigirwo thutha wa hathara ya mīrũrũngano ya andu ethi ya mwaka wa 2024. Supermarket ino yagatete kava ya kumagitira kumana na hathara iria ingirehwo ni ngahiha cia kiuteti na itoi cia biashara.
It is to recognize the strong foundation and the strong assistance we've had from CIC over the years, not just particularly on this occasion, but CIC are a long-standing partner of Naivas. As the country's leading supermarket chain, we are reliant on working with strong insurance partners to cover a whole array of risks that we face day in, day out, not just the severe events, but everyday BAU.
And over a period of time, CIC has really committed to this partnership, paying Naivas over 392 million shillings over the period, and therefore, just going beyond the numbers to being a very, very good partner and relationship.